Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll do some character work. Who doesn't love character work?
Not me.
No, okay, that's fine. We're going to do Patrick from SpongeBob, which until today I did not know that he was a starfish. I did
He's
not.
shaped like a star?
Well, he just looked like a big slop.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Don't be mean
Just
like that to
no,
Patrick.
No, he's nice, but I did not even. Drew filled me in on the fact that he's a starfish, and I'm like, oh, makes sense. I actually tried to stretch, but anyway, he's a star, and we're gonna paint him. Let's get cracking. Okay, so I've got a long nail for this one because everyone knows long nails, a lot of art, and I'm all for it. So we're going to apply Tropical Lagoon all over the nail, and that's going to be the base for our art. You can also do the, character first and then paint the, wow, sorry, I'm getting confused because this blue is gorgeous. It's just so nice. Getting it. Yeah, you could also do the character and then paint the background, but the colors that we're going to use today are so opaque anyway, so really it doesn't matter if you paint a darker color underneath. Okie dokie, so 2 layers cured, and I'm going to be using Sour Plum, which is one of the amazing Jelly Range gel polishes that we have, and I'm just going to apply a tiny bit at the top because the sea is quite greenish a little bit, right, as well. And I'm just going to chill a little bit because I want to, and I'm just going to kind of blend it in so it's a bit of an ombre, but it's not an ombre. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a quick fix ombre, I call it. So I'm just going to drag the color down so you get a bit of an ombre without doing all the hard work. I'm going to be using a few colors for this design. So I'm going to be just prepping my palette. I'm going to apply a little bit of First Night on my palette, as well as Very Smooth for the outline. So I don't know why the name made me laugh. Very Smooth. I've got Sirius Black, of course, Snow White to follow if you haven't guessed already, and I've got 2 more colors, but I can apply them on the palette later on once the design is nearly ready. So I'm going to be using my 0003 brush, and I'm just going to pick up some of that First Night and map out the shape of Patrick. So I'm going ahead and just applying, let me just move this a little bit, just mapping out the shape of Patrick. Now he's quite a big guy, isn't he?
Again with the insults on
Oh,
Patrick.
no. Hey, be nice. Just mapping out the shape of his kind of body. It's got a bit of a wonky.
Jeez, give the guy a break.
A bit of a wonky head. It's okay. We're inclusive here. It's all good. I love weird and different. Refining the shape as well once I'm filling it in.
Make sure you get that wonk right. This signature feature.
Yeah, gotta get the wonk right. And I'm gonna be filling the rest of the nail now pink, because it's got a big beautiful bump.
That's what I like to hear.
Okie dokie, we've got this slug over here ready. I'm dipping into Snow White and I'm going to just map out where his eyes are. So for this, I'm using the 002 brush. So I'm just basically mapping out the eyes. They are actually quite big, aren't they? I wonder why most characters have really big eyes. It's one of those things, right? They always have really...
I think with it being a cartoon, you've got to figure out a way to make them really expressive.
stand out, right? So I'm happy with both eyes. I'm not going to flash curry just yet because it might bubble. There's quite a bit of product there, but I'm gonna go into Series Black and start mapping out some of the other features. So I'm picking up a little bit on my brush and I'm gonna start painting his eyebrows, which are made out of 2 lines. Okay, so I'm gonna go and do 1, 2, and then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. 3, 4. And I'm going to start mapping out his smile or mouth. So I'm going to start by doing a curved line, just like so. And then I'm going to do another curved line just underneath. And they're going to meet up at the top. I'm going to have a little line over here, a little line over here. Let me have a look. Now I'm going to outline the eyes. So that's the one part of this whole design that has black outlines. So you've got both eyes outlined, and what I'm going to be doing next is just taking a dotting tool, picking up some of that Series Black, and then adding some dots in the middle, just like so. So now I'm going to pick up some of that Berry Smooth, but I'm going to get a little bit of black into it and mix it. So I'm going to just fill in this bit with the dark berry mix that we did. Before we cure this, I'm going just to outline the rest of Patrick's body, and that's with Berry Smooth, without the black that we mixed earlier. So I've just put some strawberry cream on my palette, and I'm gonna take First Night and mix it into strawberry cream. I want it to be slightly darker than strawberry cream, but not as dark as First Night. So, you know, Gotta do some color mixing. I'm going to just paint his tongue on here. So I'm just gonna basically do a line parallel to the black that we painted earlier, and all we are doing is basically doing 2 bumps, basically 1 and then another one, like so. So we've got the bump ready. Just gonna make it slightly bumpier. So we've got the tongue ready over here. We'll outline it in a second. Let me, where is my, sorry guys. Let me just clean off my brush, and whilst I'm adding color, I might as well just add a little bit more of First Night. I'm gonna add the arms because I told you guys it's a little bit of an arm. Again, don't have to do it, but I know it's there. We know it's there and it's gonna annoy us, right, Drew?
Oh yeah, I couldn't sleep at night.
So I've done the arms, and then I'm gonna do the outlines for them, and we can start as well on the background rather than, you know, curing so much in between and whatnot. I'm going to take Buttercup, which is, wow, what a beautiful kind of yellow. It's like a yolky yellow, right? And I'm going to take this color, which is called Periwinkle. Oh, which is like, honestly, one of the first colors I've purchased, and I love it. Love, 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 love. So I'm going to pick that up. I'm going to start with the yellow first, and then I'm just going to create a little bit of background. You know, they have those kind of abstract flowers.
Yeah, just like a flower outline, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm going to paint a couple here and there just to make it slightly more, you know, SpongeBob-y. So we've got this over here. We've got flower number 1 done. I'm gonna do just a few more here and there because it really will kind of bring this design all together. Back with the Berry Smooth just to add a little bit more detail. So I'm going to do the outline of the arm over here, which is obviously missing so much. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So we've got his arm, see? And now I'm going to again use Berry Smooth and just do the outline of the tongue. So again, 1, and then I'm gonna do another line here. So remember, it's like 2 bumps. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna top coat him. No, I'm gonna cure it first, and then we'll do a top coat for you guys. And there you have it, guys. Patrick here, ready. Oh, I love this nail. I think it has become one of my favorite nails. It's so cute, right?
I love it.
And what do you think about the jelly polish hack with the ombre? If you want to do a quick ombre and you're struggling, use jelly polish because it's so easy, right? But yeah, I love him, and I'd like to do some more friends for him. So let me know if you'd like to see maybe SpongeBob or, you know, Mr. Crab or any of the others. Let us know in the comments below, and I will create a tutorial for that as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your comments. Love you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all of that. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hi. Oh, don't hate me for calling him a slob though. But he does look a bit like, I didn't know what he was.
Like a big slug.
Like a big slug, yeah.
Did you know that SpongeBob was a sponge?
Yeah, I knew that.
Okay. That's good. That's good.
And I knew that Mr. Crab was a crab as well.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Right. Plankton's a plankton. They should have just called him Starfish. I'm pretty sure he is called Patrick the Starfish.
Really?
Maybe,
Wow,
yeah.
I've watched it for so many years and I still didn't know that.